Okay, I want to show you and demonstrate this rolling knife sharpener that was sent to me. I really like this style. It's kind of interesting. So a couple of things I want to show you is one, this is a magnetic block. So each side is going to be magnetic and you have to choose whether you want 20-degree angle or a 15-degree angle. If you don't know, start with the 20 and kind of see from there if you like the angle that's going to be on the blade. This has got little like rubber feet on the bottom, so when you do put it on your surface, it shouldn't move much, but you should always hold on to this, while you're using it. And then your roller here is pretty cool. These little end pieces, will kind of rotate around as you kind of roll back and forth. And each side is going to have different grit on it. So you've got, let's see if I can pull it out here. You've got this one here, which is, I believe, a 400 grit. And this one here, which is a 2000 grit. So you'll always start with the diamond 400 grit stone. And that's what you're going to do to kind of refine the knife, get off any burrs, any issues that you might have on the end of it, and then use the ceramic one to finish it off. And so what you'll do here, let's say we're using a pocket knife, for example. You'll see there how that's magnetic and holds it. Put your knife flat on your surface, and then you want to just attach it. So you can see how you would put it on and you don't want that up in the air like that. You want the knife as flat as you can get it. So that's kind of how I would end up attaching it if I were doing that side, the 15-degree. So what you'll do is you'll just, make sure you do it with the blade up. I almost did it with the blade down. So you'll attach it like that, and then you're going to use this here. You're just going to put this on your surface and hold on to this and just rub that back and forth. You can hear that probably. And I'm not really putting much pressure up against it, just rolling it. And you can see it's starting to do some stuff on there. I've got a little bit of black that's coming off. And then we can see on that blade we've done a little bit of work there. All right, you can kind of see how it did that. Now what you're going to want to do at this point is flip it over to the ceramic side and then refine it. Now I probably could have and maybe even should have washed it off because it's going to leave little black marks on the ceramic, but I'm not too concerned about that. So it did that to it, but then that refined that side. Now, when I'm done, I need to flip it the other way. So now I need to make sure I'm down on my surface, facing the other direction, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side because you're only sharpening one side at a time with this, okay? And then flip it over and then refine it with that ceramic, side of it. And then now I've got, a much sharper blade than I had when we started this. It's a lot crisper, shinier looking there on the edge. This is an easy way to sharpen knives. You're not really messing it up much. Now, you got to decide if you want 15-degree or 20-degree. That will change how it's done. That angle will be a little different, and you'll probably hear it because now it's going to grind on that part. So again, figure out which is best for your blade and then kind of run from there. But I think this is a real simple process and I don't know, a little soothing and natural. You might keep you a towel to wipe that stuff off of your knife before you put it on there, but it's not going to hurt it. Just makes this look a little messy. But yeah, check this out.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that product review. Make sure, again, you click the link in the description if you want to go see what it looks like and see if it's on sale. Also, click that video down here. It's another product review that you're going to love, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a like.